This is rational functions, and for the first problem is a squared plus 7a minus 8 over a plus a. And you'd have to get the two numbers that equal to 7, which is 8 and negative 1. And then you put that on top, and then on the bottom it stays the same. And then you'd have to cross it out because they're the same problem, and then it'll leave you with a minus 1. And then the excluded value would be negative 8. For number 2, you'd have to find the GCF, which is 5 and 3, and 5 and 2 on the top, and 2 and 3, and 2 and 2 for the bottom. And you'd have to multiply across, and in the end you'd get 5 over x plus 7, and the excluded value would be negative 7. For problem number 3, it's 8 over n plus 7 divided by an n plus 9 over n squared plus 16n plus 63. And you'd have to cross out, well, find the factor first, and then you'd have to cross out the same numbers, and then leave you with 8 over 1. The 1 is left there because you can't leave the denominator empty, and the excluded value would be negative 7 and negative 9. For problem number 4, it's 6n cubed over 7n divided by 10n squared over 2. And you'd have to keep, change, and flip. You'd keep this the same, change the sign to multiplication, and then flip this. And then in the end, you'd have to multiply across, and you'd get 6 over 35, and leave you with a 0.